this episode of Random Guy number 6. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to show you how to do a super secret oil change on one of these old dualies. I like to call her Bertha, so let's get to it. Now the first thing we need to do is take her for a little ride. Now the reason for doing that is to warm up the oil because this stuff is super thick and we want to thin it out a little bit. Since I'm changing out the Go Juice in old Bertha here, I might as well get myself loaded up with a little Go Juice. All right, look at that. Woo! Gonna get juiced up today. Now we can get started. First thing we'll want to do is put a little blanket down, you know, kind of like you're making love to your truck. Bertha here needs the preferential treatment. Now we throw a good sized bucket underneath, catch all her juices. Then you find her little nipple here where she spits out her oil, and you just give her a little tweak, you know, just a little tickle like that.
Oh yeah.
After you've done that, you come back over to the back end here, and you just give it a good smack. Now that all the oil is done draining, just gotta put a little nipple back in. Firm, but not too tight. Now we gotta slide our bucket over, change out our tampon. Get yourself one of these nice little tampon changing wrenches. Now before we pop our new tampon in, we wanna take a little bit of your oil or your oil additive and just lube the rim a little bit. We just screw the new one on. Now I like to get her hand tight and then just go a little bit more. And perfect. Now old Bertha's a thirsty bitch, so I'm gonna put the bulk of this in there, not all of it, and then I'm gonna put some of this in there just to keep her nice and lubed up. Now because my truck takes exactly 10 quarts, and I put this in there, and this is almost exactly 10 quarts, I'm gonna pour this into this, fill this up, and then I should be able to dump all of the rest of this into the truck, and it'll be perfect, hopefully. Now I couldn't find a funnel, so I'm just gonna do my best. And the rest goes in the truck. We've got to throw the cap back on, check the dipstick, make sure she's all good. Let's get it fully cleaned first, and now we'll check it. And that's right where you want it to be. And that's how you change the oil in one of these old dually Duramaxes. So I'm gonna take her for a quick ride. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Maybe I'll come change your oil.